Show you guys how I've been repairing my plaster and lath in this 140-year-old house without buying any expensive kits. The first thing to note is that this applies to unstable cracks. All right, this one's a stable crack. See, I'm pushing on that. Nothing moves. This is unstable. Push on it, the whole friggin' thing moves. Okay? If you try and patch an unstable crack like this and just stuff some drywall compound in there, it's just gonna keep cracking. It's gonna look ugly. It's never gonna work. What you do first is you go along your crack with a scraper or anything that's sharp, and you open up that crack till it's about 3/8 of an inch open. This is gonna freely move now. That'll help me identify where it's stable and where it's unstable. And it'll give us a spot to fill in later. You gotta have some kind of substance. You can't fill a hairline crack. Then about a couple inches away from the crack or open gap, you're gonna find a spot where there is a piece of lath. You're gonna line that up, and then you are going to drill about 1/4 inch holes, what I'm looking for. And you only wanna drill through the plaster. You're gonna stop once you hit the wood, okay? All right, now we're gonna make our conditioner. What we're gonna use here is, this is just some hot water spray bottle, and we got some Tight Bond premium wood glue. It's a PVA based glue. It's gotta be a PVA based glue. This is what the kits use, some kind of PVA base with like latex in it. This is pretty damn close. We're gonna just put in a couple of healthy squeezes in this bottle here and shake it up. All right, so that might have been like a couple tablespoons. You could use more. I don't think this is very crucial. The main thing is that you're gonna get this lath wet. You're gonna stick this right up to the hole, and you're gonna squeeze in some water, this conditioner. And the idea is that you're soaking this lath like that, okay? And that's gonna soak in some moisture and get those pores opened up so that the glue can adhere better to it, okay? That's all we're trying to do here. So water would probably work just as well, but I haven't tested that out yet. Okay, now that we're done with that, you're gonna come back with some construction adhesive. I got some liquid nails. This literally says it will stick to plaster, okay? So we're gonna put our nozzle right up here in one of these holes. We're gonna cut that tip so that it fits in that hole. I'm reusing this guy, and we're really gonna make sure we get some glue shoved in there. All right, don't be stingy. We want that to come out from behind and get to that wood, okay? And then once we're done squeezing in glue in all of our holes, we're gonna come back, and in those same holes, we're gonna put a drywall screw. Go, and we don't want to overdrive it, we just want to pull it enough so it's underneath, all right? And that should hold it in place while this glue dries. We're gonna go around and do all that. All right, and that's how she looks when she's done. You just keep working your way, pushing on the plaster, see what's loose, keep doing the same stuff. Make sure you run some hot water through that conditioner bottle to reach.